Did you know that optimized fleet management can reduce operational costs by 30%? Yet most organizations manage their fleets reactively rather than strategically. Organizations often struggle with inefficient fleet operations. Companies face rising fuel costs and maintenance expenses, while vehicle utilization remains low. Poor route planning and vehicle allocation lead to wasted resources and delayed deliveries. Fleet managers frequently feel overwhelmed by daily operational challenges. Teams struggle with driver management and vehicle maintenance scheduling. Coordinators battle with balancing cost control and service quality. This practical course transforms fleet operations through modern management principles. Participants learn to optimize vehicle utilization, reduce costs, and improve service levels. The training covers everything from route optimization to preventive maintenance planning. Organizations implementing these fleet management practices see immediate savings. Fuel costs decrease while vehicle availability improves. Transport operations become more reliable through better planning and control. For fleet professionals, the impact is substantial. Managers develop stronger analytical skills, while teams learn to operate more efficiently. Fleet operations transform from a cost burden to a competitive advantage. Start optimizing your fleet management today. Transform your transport operations through proven strategies. Contact us now to learn how effective fleet management can drive operational excellence.